Prior to 1945, we had a very extensive rail system.
The inflexible rails, permanently embedded in cobblestones, were paved over to provide smooth, comfortable transportation via diesel motor coach.
In the 1950s, President Dwight Eisenhower signed a bill to create the National Interstate System. It allocated about $25 billion to build 41,000 miles of highways.
We dedicated a huge amount of dollars to building automobile infrastructure in the middle of the 20th century.
This is the American dream of freedom on wheels.
But according to some, this country's transportation ecosystem is reaching a tipping point.
China is the world's biggest emitter of greenhouse gases and has pledged to be carbon neutral by 2060.
With more research and incentives, we can break our dependence on oil with biofuels and become the first country to have 1 million electric vehicles on the road.
We're going through a transformation of the industry as large as when oil came onto the marketplace.
China is ramped up battery production as well as car production for electric vehicles.
We want those EVs to be made in America, and increasingly they are.
These truck cabs that are here are electric vehicles. They show us that the clean energy future is within reach.
At one point we're talking about small vehicles like a Nissan Leaf. Now you're talking about electrifying entire buses.
Who else doesn't know it in this country? And we're mandating electric vehicles. You guys have no idea how much demand is going to be there. Where is that electricity going to come from?
We have a lot of problems with our energy policy in America from the Biden administration. And it's going to make electrifying vehicles even more difficult.
Welcome everyone to basically the announcement of Tesla Energy.
This battery is one of the largest battery energy storage systems in the world.
Do we want to partner with an oil company? That's the history, but humanity is moving on and they're moving on with it. And they're saying, listen, we also want to be part of that solution.
Because every single year, more Americans buy EVs than the year before.
Our goal is that all new cars by 2025 will be zero-emission vehicles.
The Scandinavian country boasts the highest EV adoption rate in the world.
So far, they spent about $20 billion, and we're still spending about $4 billion a year.
High economies of scale. I think we will be the most profitable company in electric vehicles.
The German automaker expects half of U.S. sales to be electric vehicles by 2030.
Hopefully this is what convinces people finally that electric cars are the future.
With swapping stations, we're constantly slowly charging these batteries.
They can draw off those batteries to help do some load balancing on the grid.
There's been a lack of concerted, directed efforts from the federal government to push the energy transition along in the transport industry. And what happens?
Our planet is changing. In an era where the demand for clean energy is skyrocketing, Lithium Sciences is leading the charge from the heart of Chile. Our mission is not just to produce lithium, but to reshape the global landscape of energy and sustainability. Lithium Sciences was founded on the principle that the world needs a reliable and sustainable source of lithium, a critical component for batteries, electric vehicles, and artificial intelligence. Our vision is clear: to establish Chile as the foremost provider of lithium, using it to develop the energy supply chain, thereby driving the global energy transition. Our journey begins with our extensive portfolio of lithium projects, each strategically positioned to maximize resource extraction and sustainability. These include the Aroma Project, La Isla Project, Mariposas Project, Pajonales, and Pedernales. In the Salar de la Isla, the La Isla project stands out for its high lithium concentrations in both surface and subsurface brines. The lithium levels in the region, reaching up to 1,150 mgl, were identified in an exploration conducted by a third party at the edge of our project. These findings highlight the potential for significant lithium resources within our own boundaries. The region's unique geological features, including a complex aquifer system and a favorable evaporative environment, make La Isla a key asset in our portfolio. The Mariposas project, located in the Andean mountain region, benefits from extensive evaporite deposits that have concentrated lithium and other valuable salts. Early exploration suggests that Mariposas could mirror the high lithium concentrations found in nearby Atacama Sala, making it one of our most promising projects. Our drilling program is designed to map the subsurface brine deposits and fully understand the vertical distribution of lithium, setting the stage for future resource estimation and production. The Aroma project, located in the northern sector of the Salar de Pintadas Tamarugal Basin, is an early-stage exploration property with significant potential for lithium, cesium, and other strategic minerals. Situated in a region rich in felsic volcanic rocks, Aroma is a paleo-salar, and initial geological assessments indicate promising prospects for its development. Beyond lithium, our uranium Mall project in the Rio Mall Valley focuses on uranium production, with the potential to host significant deposits. The property's geological characteristics suggest it could support multiple open pit or underground uranium deposits, positioning us as a key player in the clean energy sector. At the core of our operations is the Lithium Sciences business unit, Project Apollo. Project Apollo is a transformative effort that extends our reach far beyond Chile. It aims to connect the lithium produced from Chilean soil with the world's most advanced electric vehicle markets. Through Project Apollo, we are working towards establishing crucial charging infrastructure across the United States, Canada, and Europe. By strategically placing these stations along major highways and in urban centers, we plan to power the next generation of electric vehicles, ensuring that lithium remains at the core of the global shift towards sustainable transportation. This project is designed to elevate Chile's position on the global stage, creating new markets, driving innovation, and generating significant economic benefits for Chile and its people. Industry giants such as Tesla, Equinor, and ChargePoint are on the front of the industry, and collaboration opportunities that could further advance the industry must be the tune, as for all of it to flourish, we always work from a collaborative structure. Our current partnership with Summit Nanotech is a cornerstone of our strategy. Through this collaboration, we are employing direct lithium extraction, DLE, technology, a cutting-edge process that minimizes environmental impact while maximizing efficiency. This partnership sets us apart and also reinforces our commitment to responsible lithium production practices. At Lithium Sciences, we understand that true leadership requires more than just technical expertise. It requires a complete commitment to collaboration across actors in the sector. That's why we are working closely with the Chilean government and international stakeholders to create a business environment that fosters long-term growth and stability. Our projects are designed to not only meet today's demands, but also to anticipate the needs of tomorrow. In the end, our vision is simple but profound: to make Chile a global leader in the production of lithium and other strategic minerals. We are not just producing resources, we are creating value for generations to come. By driving the global energy transition, we are helping to build a cleaner, more sustainable future from the local communities to the world. Join Lithium Sciences' vision for the future of energy.